HeroBattle project. Play to earn. Hello to everyone who is interested in cryptocurrencies and everything connected with them. I am sure that each of you wants to get as many coins as possible, and this can be done by trading on exchanges, making charts, studying analytics, or taking risks by investing in new tokens. Is there any other way to make a profit? Yes, if you play special games. Now there are more and more gaming platforms that allow you to play and earn tokens at the same time. And one such interesting and profitable gaming platform will be discussed in this review. So I present you HeroBattle. At once I should pay attention to the fact that HeroBattle is an Nft Game project invested and developed by a professional team with many years of experience in the gaming industry. Support it has tremendous from the community, and the number of followers on social platforms reached 5,000 in just one day. It's a clear indicator that the team got it right. This is a whole universe where you can fully immerse yourself in the atmosphere of the game and increase your bankroll at the same time. For many years, the team has been creating a project that brings the players the most value. By coding HeroBattle characters and items into NFT, players can own it and bring them economic value to the market. If we take the technical component, it is a role-playing game, RPG, from NFT developed on the platform of Binance Smart Chain. I will note its main advantages: stunning graphics, attractive game content, a variety of characters and items in the game. You can combine heroes and create a balanced team. Honest and transparent gameplay mechanism in the game. HeroBattle is built on both web applications and mobile devices, such as Android and iOS, so you can play on smartphones as well. Every month there will be many events and tournaments with huge prizes, up to thousands of dollars. I recommend to follow their blog and social networks not to miss. A professional and experienced team of game developers who have done everything to make sure that the game is enjoyed by absolutely every user. These are such advantages. I'm sure that this game platform will be most attractive gaming project on the BSC. Players will experience the playing-to-earn roleplay model to its fullest. The difference between it and traditional gaming is the blockchain economic scheme used to reward our players for their contributions. The team offers a cross-platform NFT trading platform equipped with excellent features where you can earn money in different ways. Now let's see what their tokenomics offer. They will spend 38.5% of the tokens issued on pre-sales. They will spend another 10% on development, 8% on marketing, 2% on airdrop, and 26% of the tokens on the gaming pool. As for taxes, the purchase tax will be 2%, and the sales tax will be 5%. 50% of the rewards are distributed to holders. Holder must have at least 10,000 HRB tokens to receive the reward. 50% for marketing. Every user who has become a player can use the marketplace to find his best hero and there exchange rare equipment with other players. Farming is implemented on the platform. In addition to participating in battles, you can let your heroes automatically grow and collect tokens. A large number will automatically go to your wallet. Yes, and now the team has opened whitelist registration to participate in a pre-sale for those who are interested in and support the project. The pre-sale will start on August 30th on the X sale. Whitelist registration is open, total number of slots only 800 wallets, so there's no need to delay. To own a character in Battle of Heroes, the player must purchase an energy gem and will randomly receive a random race character. In-game characters and items can be traded or sold in NFT marketplace. The NFT marketplace allows players to buy and sell products from developers or other players, where NFT is a commodity and HeroBattle is an exchange currency. If you want to learn more about the nuances of the gaming platform, you can review their white paper. This will help you develop your own effective strategy for the game. For my part, I can say that the game is both simple and engaging. The interface is really clear to all players. I am sure that you will enjoy the game and be able to earn good money. Of course, the team is not going to stop there. In its roadmap, it indicates will be an upgrade of equipment, will launch a farm NFT, will hold a massive advertising campaign. There will also be a store where you can buy and sell items and trophies, and so on. So, in conclusion, it is worth saying that the project HeroBattle is designed so that everyone who takes part in it can not only have a fun time fighting, but also get material benefits from it in form of tokens. All that remains is to register and start playing and earning.